Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'll be upgrading the turn signals on the 7th-gen Nissan Maxima to sequential turn signals. Yes, you heard that right. Thanks to one of our subscribers and followers, your boy Los. He told me about them. He sent me the link, and I went and copped them. They were only $33.40 with free shipping. And these are made for the Nissan Altima, so you can see they're already black. And turn signals between the 7th-gen Nissan Maxima and the 2007 to 13 models, they interchangeable, so they shouldn't be plug and play. The exact years of the Altima I'll have listed below, and the direct link. So huge shout out to your boy Laws for discovering these, because I didn't even know about it. I was going to have one of the guys from the group, Nissan group that I'm part of, to make me some, but I ain't gonna do that now because I found these and they hella cheap, so it's plug and play. So I'm gonna sit y'all down on the tripod and we're gonna swap them out and test them. All right, so I can't find my little pry tool, but you want to dig underneath here and pull the bottom out. Y'all should know how to do this by now because I've done 2 videos on this. All right, and also mine didn't really come with it. Both of these mirrors gotta get replaced anyway, but you'll pop it out from the bottom, and there's supposed to be a screw right here, so you would undo that. But mine didn't came with it, and the mirror fell off because they had it glued on with some adhesive. So mine became, well, I'm gonna get a new mirror that's not broken. So like I said, you would have removed that, and then to get this out, you want to pull this side back and then slide it out and pull it out. And in the last video I've done of this, I had tinted this to make it this color. All right, and these are the Nissan Altimas. But according to Nissan, it's not supposed to be, it's supposed to be exactly the same. You know, the Maxima is a little bit, so slightly different. This is more straight, and then on the Maxima it's in the angle. So let's see it. This should, or do I got the wrong side? Let's see. Probably got the wrong side. This Nissan says it's supposed to be put, oh yeah. So no modifications needed. And then you want to slide this behind that. Tuck your wires back in there. Get this plastic off. Yeah, it goes in. Take this off. Oh, I like that. That's hella clean. Looks better than the tint I did on the Maxima. And then you want to put your little cover back on. Oh, and this DOT, it got the stamp on here. So if you go to an inspection place, it has this stamp, so you should not have no issues. Depending on your state, because I know some states are strict. If you don't have these stamps or anything like that, they will reject it and say it's not DOT certified and all the other bull stuff. So let's test it. Oh hell yeah! I had a sample. Well, your boy Law sent me a clip of it on his car, but in person, yo, these look fire. Alright, so we're just gonna repeat the same thing on the passenger side, and then once I get this side installed, I want to see if there's any animations the lights do. caught it with my foot. I thought I scratched up the mirror. Alright, so... Oh yeah, I didn't even take that one out yet. And remember, there's a screw on the opposite side if yours ain't broken or missing like mine's. Alright. Sweet. Got both of them in. Alright, so alright, what do I do with the keys? They had a key. Alright, let me find the key real quick. Alright, so I got the key. So let's see if it has like different animations. So, lock. That's an animation that does unlock. So it does have different animations. Okay. And then that's how it looks when you're using a turn signal. See if it's different if you do hazards. Wrong thing. So turn signal is the same thing. Alright, so I like that. So let's do that again. So locking. Oh, still got the ignition on. Alright, so locking, unlock. Yeah, so I like that. So once again, a huge shout out to your boy Lost. I'll have his YouTube and Instagram in the description below and direct link because he discovered these. I was gonna have somebody in the group make it, but I don't have to do that anymore because thanks to him, now I got that. But I am going to have the headlights and taillights do it though for a car show season. But that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.